Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still your Jovita Concept. If you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. So guys, I'll be teaching you guys on how to design simple party flyer. So guys, these are working materials and we're gonna import them to our working space by copying them. Okay, over to our working space, then paste and bring it aside. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is that we'll come over to this our properties bar to change the size of the work we'll be working with. Then going over to this, left click and click A5. This is the size we'll be working with. Now the next thing we're gonna do now is that we'll come over to this our tools bar and double click on this our rectangle, then drop the tools, come over here and fit to page. Okay, now you can see. The next thing we're gonna do now is that we'll power click this our background image over here by right clicking. Okay, power click, then left click. The same thing is applicable here. Power click and left click. Now let's edit our power click by clicking over here, then bring this one aside and increase this one. But first of all, let's change the size by coming over to this our properties bar, then change it to 90 degrees so that it will turn to the position we like it. You can see. Now press the P button in your desktop to fix it to page. Now let's increase it by left clicking and holding the control button, and by left clicking on your mouse, and increase it by holding your shift button in your desktop. You can see. Okay, then increase this side, then P to fix to center. You can see this is what we want now. So the next thing we're gonna do now is that we'll bring this. Then first of all, we have to cut this side because you don't need all the parts in it. So we'll make use of this our shape tools. Then drag it like this. Click over here and left click. Drag it inside. You can see. I think this is what we need. But let's reduce it a little bit. It's okay like this. Now let's drop the tools. Then the next thing we're gonna do is that we'll come over to this our bitmap and click, then convert it to bitmap. You can see. And okay, convert it to bitmap. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is that we'll come over here, trace bar, trace bitmap and click. Okay, see 9 ants and click. Okay, you can see it's bringing out something and we're patiently waiting for it to load. Okay, it's loading, it's bringing out something here. You can see it's still loading. Okay, this is what you bring out. Now the next thing we're gonna do is that we'll okay it, then bring it here, then bring it over here, ungroup it by clicking over here, then come over here and click the part that you don't need at all. Now you delete the parts you don't need. You can see this one we need, you don't need this ones again. Okay, you now group it back by left clicking over here. So this is what we need. Let's copy it, then finish, come over here and paste and bring it or rotate it first. Okay, then bring it. We need to remove some parts again here. Let's ungroup it by clicking here, then come over here and click delete. No, not here, delete. Okay, let's group it back. Okay, come over here, let's rotate. Okay, and bring it over here. Then bring this our head piece over here. Okay, let's rotate this. Okay, okay. Then let's bring it here. Okay, and increase it. Let's rotate it one more time. Okay, I think it's okay like this. Okay, okay. Then let's increase this. Okay, now it's okay like this. Let's bring this down and shift it to the left. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do now is that we start inserting this inserting this our sentence now, our words. Okay, let's first of all change it to white background, white corner. Okay, then break it by holding the Ctrl K button in your desktop. Then bring this one here. Let's bring this down small. Then this one over here, we're gonna change it to uppercase by clicking over here. Come down here, you can see uppercase, then okay. Then the next thing we're gonna do is that we'll change the font character. Okay, maybe we'll use Arial Black. Okay, okay, let's use Arial Black, or let's use this font. Let's try this font. No. Okay, let's keep searching. Okay, it's hanging. Okay, let's use this font. Okay, this font is okay. Then let's put the outline. Okay, let's use this outline. Now the next thing we're gonna do now is that we'll bring this inside here and change it to uppercase first by clicking here, click here, then uppercase. Okay, then let's enter it by entering it. Okay, okay. Now Ctrl K to break it apart. Then bring our electro here and increase it. Then let's change the font character to impact. Shift up on your desktop. Okay, let's increase it. Let's increase it a little bit. Okay, I think it's okay. Then shift it aside. Okay, okay. Then let's give it a color. Bring it over here. Okay, okay. Okay, let's use this. I think this is okay. Then let's bring this down small. Okay, it's okay. Then let's bring this our magnet over here. Then increase it. Shift up your desktop. Then let's increase this so that this our mouth will not be showing. It's okay like this. Let's drag it down small. No, it's not good. Okay, then let's change the font of this our magnet by clicking over here. Okay, let's try this. And let's give it a color by clicking over here. No, let's change the font, the color. Okay, let's change the font. Then let's bring this one down first. Okay, I think you need to bring this down. It's not okay there. Let's reduce this. Okay, and bring this up. Then increase this our sound. Okay, bring it over here. Then let's change the font character, maybe to Arial Black. Okay, then bring this here. Let's page this our font up. Now this is it. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do now is that we'll bring this our name over here. Click over here. Okay, then enter in your desktop. Okay, then bring it over here and change it to uppercase. Okay, uppercase. You can see the same thing is applicable here. You click over here, enter in your desktop, change it to uppercase as well. Uppercase. Okay, then bring it here, come over here and center it, then bring it here. Okay, let's change the font character, maybe to Arial Black or Impact. Let's try Impact. Okay, let's use the same here, Impact. Okay, bring it over here. Okay, then the next thing we're gonna do is that we'll come over here and bring our line here, straight line, then bring it over here, change the color outline to, okay, left click, right click, you can see, then drag it. Okay, 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 same thing is applicable here. Let's move it over here, then reduce it. then duplicate it by left clicking and holding it, then holding the shift button in your desktop and drag it to your right, then right click, then bring this our sound, we double click it, we duplicate it, bring it down here, then reduce it. Okay, bring it over here and change the font character. Let's change the font character. Okay, let's leave it this way. Okay, so let's group this. Okay, group, then shift it up. Now the next thing we're gonna do is that we'll bring this we bring it down here, then shift this one, shift it down. Okay, then bring this our DJ over here. Okay, then we have to change it to title case. Okay, title case, the same thing is applicable here. Title case. Okay, so let's increase this line. Okay, exactly like this, then move it up and bring this one down. Okay, I think it's okay this way. Bring it down a little bit, then bring this one down. You need to change the font of this one as well. Okay, then come over here, let's break it apart first and change the font character. Okay, let's leave it this way. The same thing is applicable here. Break apart, change the font character. Okay, it's okay this way. Okay, no, we don't need this in this one. So guys, this is how to design simple club party flyers. Yes, you can see this is where we're gonna end in this particular video. Now we're gonna continue from where we stop in our next video. So please, if you watch and like this video, do not hesitate to like, share and share with your friends, share with anybody that you know that is interested in learning graphics design, and please don't forget to subscribe on the red button and turn on your notification bell. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.